4 signs he's not emotionally safe for you, even though he loves you, and what to do. A man can love you, but still be unemotionally available and emotionally unsafe for you, because love isn't the same as security. And if you miss the signs, you'll lose yourself in the process. Harvard studies prove that emotional safety is the foundation for a happy relationship. So by the end of this video, you have 4 clear signs he's not emotionally safe and what to do about it. Number 1, you walk on eggshells around him. You're scared of expressing your emotion. Emotional safety means you're safe to express exactly how you feel without fear of triggering anger, without withdrawal or judgment. So if you're constantly editing yourself to be someone that you're not in a relationship, you're surviving one. Ask yourself, can I share my true self? And if the answer is unsure or a no, then that's the red flag. 2, he gaslights you and minimizes and invalidates your feelings. This is not tough love, this is emotional invalidation. And when someone constantly makes you question your emotions, your self-trust crumbles. You start to doubt yourself, which makes you easier to control and harder to heal. What to do instead? Watch how he reacts when you're emotional. If you get more confused rather than more understood, you're not emotionally safe. 3, he loves you, but he doesn't protect you emotionally. This is not about fighting your battles. A man that is emotionally safe sees your pain and cares about it, even if he's the cause of that pain. You start to realize that love without emotional security doesn't mean anything at all. What to do instead? Pay attention. Does he take accountability when he hurts you? Or does he try and justify it and explain it away? Without ownership, the relationship will never work. 4, he punishes vulnerability instead of honoring it. And this is not just bad communication. If opening up has led to mockery or shame, or him laughing at you, you're being emotionally punished. You'll start closing yourself off piece by piece until there's nothing left of you there. What to do instead? Start sharing just a small bit of yourself. See what happens. If it feels unsafe, believe the experience and not just what he says. A man who truly loves you will never make you afraid of being fully seen. Love without emotional safety isn't love that lasts, it's a love that drains. Just a heads up, I've got a free training, the 3 problems stopping you getting the relationship you deserve. If you click the link below, you can get access completely free of charge.